Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha, and today in this video I want to share with you my honest review and my honest opinion on hair brand Oribe. In my case, I will be focusing on the Gold Lust line, and I'm gonna tell you what it did for me and was it worth it. First, I want to tell you a little story about my hair. My whole life I had very thick, long hair. I colored it first when I was 17, and since that I was coloring it again and again and again because I was working as a hairdresser, so I was exploring and having fun. And approximately at age 21 I decided to stop and I grow out again my long and natural hair. When my hair was natural without any coloring and bleaching, I was just simple hair care routine go. I didn't do anything special. I wasn't looking for any hardcore hydrating shampoos, serums, and hair oils. I used something very like, I don't know, L'Oreal, Fruities, something like that, just very simple, and I choose it because it was smelling good, not because it did something amazing for my hair, because my hair was like pretty good. They were like absolutely normal, no damage, no dry scalp, nothing. So I was easy about it. At the age of 25, I decided to dye my hair completely blonde. I was having blonde hair for approximately 9 months, and after 9 months I decided that I have to stop because my hair got damaged pretty bad. So I decided to grow out my hair again. That's when I decided to start investing in my hair routine to nourish and protect my hair more than usual. I was hearing a lot about Oribe brand before, and I always knew that it was pretty expensive, and I thought I would never spend such money on hair care. But at that point, when my hair was super damaged, I was just very desperate. So that's when I decided to splurge on myself, and after digging and making some research and people swear buying it that it's totally worth it, I decided to try it on myself, and now I have my verdict. So I purchased this shampoo. This is Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo, and I as well have Power Drops Damage Repair Booster, and I have Golden Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. I did purchase conditioner. I purchased the travel size. It was pretty expensive, the full size. It was like probably even more expensive than shampoo. And honestly, when I tried the conditioner, I didn't feel big, huge difference, and I just felt that oil after just washing my hair with shampoo did even more than conditioner. So that was a big no for me, and since then I didn't purchase conditioner ever. I also want to mention that before making my decision about this, I've been using this brand for almost a year on the daily basis because I wash my hair every 2-3 days. My decision is firm. So let's start with shampoo. I love shampoo a lot. The reason why I'm not using it currently right now and I switched to a different brand is because my hair kind of got used to it. After approximately 6-8 months of using it, my hair just getting oilier faster. So that's the only reason why I'm not using it right now, but it's still there for me, and I'm planning to come back to it when I'll be done with my bottle that I'm using right now. So I really love scent. It was #1 huge reason why I was repurchasing it again and again and again, because it smells amazing. It smells divine. It's just this unisex scent. I love it. My husband loves it. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I'm not gonna lie, first when I received it, I was shocked how small is this bottle. I don't know, it's small for me. After you see like this huge L'Oreal bottles of shampoo, that's what I usually used. And then I received this, I was like, seriously, that's it? That's all? But a little goes a long way. It's really nice and foamy. My hair gets very squeaky clean after this. I love it. I love the way my hair feels. And even though it cleans your hair so good, it doesn't dry your scalp at all. So yeah, I have 0 questions to this shampoo. I love it a lot. I would totally come back to it. If you have literally damaged hair and you want to invest in something, I would definitely buy this shampoo. Another moment that I really loved about this shampoo is that when I rinse it out, I don't feel like my hair is super dry. It already felt like I used conditioner. So that's a big yes for me, and I really love it. Next, we're gonna move on to oil. This is something that I will be purchasing again and again. I really love it. Again, little goes a long way. This is little bottle. I didn't buy a huge size. This is travel size and I love it a lot. The smell is the same as the shampoo. It's very unisex. The smell is nice, but it's not that strong to the point when it makes you nauseous. This oil works amazing for me on my dry hair and my wet hair. Even when I feel that my hair is dry throughout the day, I would just take a little pump and I would just warm it up in my palms and I would just apply it to my ends, and it instantly gives a nice silky and like very nourished look to my ends without making it super oily. That's what I really like, but mostly it works amazing when you use it on your wet hair after you shower. I don't know, it just transforms your hair. I love the way it looks after I apply it. I love that it has pump. I hate oils with droppers, and that makes me go to third product. We're going to talk about Oribe Power Drops Damage Repair Booster 2% linoleic acid. So you're supposed to add this to your oil. So you literally take a few pumps of oil and then you add a few drops of this booster, and it's supposed to kind of power up your oil and make it more intense and more nourishing for your hair and repair it even better. I do love how it works. I can see why some people love it, and I can see a slight difference, but does it really worth it? I don't think it's worth it at all, unfortunately. Not for me. My hair is damaged at the ends. I still have leftovers of dye on my ends, and I can see what it's doing, but it's not that much, you know. I can feel like this oil just do amazing on its own, and sometimes when I add booster to oil, it's kind of make oil thicker and heavier, and when I add it to my ends, it's just getting greasy faster. Right now, because I tend to finish this bottle because I don't want to waste my money, I would just add it together and I would use it only on the days when my hair is already dirty and I know I'm gonna wash it. So when I do bun, for example, and I don't want to damage my ends while they're in the bun, I would make this combo, and it's gonna be nice, thick, and oily. And then I put it in my ends and then make a bun. Another thing that I don't like about this, it's the dropper. It's so uncomfortable for me. I don't know why. It just takes so little product. I don't know. I'm big skincare junkie and I love everything with the droppers. But here, I prefer everything with a pump. So if I would be honest here, would I recommend it to my friend? I don't think so. Only if you have, you know, some money that you don't know where you can use it and you just want to use it, then you can try it out. Maybe it will work for you, but me personally, I wouldn't splurge on this again. I would rather buy a full-size bottle of this oil. Personally know that even if I'm gonna stop using this shampoo, I would still will be using this oil on its own because I tried a lot of oils, different brands. This one works amazing for me. It's very nourishing and it's lightweight. This is like two things that the most important for me. So yeah, my verdict is shampoo yes, oil yes, and booster unfortunately no, didn't work out for me. But let me know if it worked out for you, any of these products. What do you think? Maybe you would suggest me any different hair products and lines. I would really love to hear your opinion, and I hope you like this review and little talk with me, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.